Project management is extensive, interesting, and in these times, especially appropriate. As well as covering broad management fundamentals, this course covers PERT, CPM, EVA, crashing, Gantt, RACUS, design, life cycles, improvements, risk, and quality. Crammed full of insights and high-quality slides, the course aims to deliver a coherent and robust industry-standard framework that can be adapted for any scenario. I am Alistair Marner. I have a first-class honours degree in Business and Management, a master's degree in Strategic Planning, and I am a Prince 2 practitioner who's been involved in projects for much of my working career. Join us today. It'll be worth your time.